Hello, welcome to tutorial for you channel. In this video, I will write a program to print factorial of a number. So what is factorial? A factorial of n is the product of all positive descending integer. Factorial of n is denoted by n. For example, the factorial of 4 is 24. Like 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So this is factorial of 4. Then the factorial of 6 is 720. So this is factorial. So let's look this program in action. The factorial of 6 will give us 720. Factorial of 4 will give us 24. Factorial of 4 is 24. To make this program, we require 3 variables and 1 for loop. First, we will make our variables I. This I will be used in for loop. Factorial, the initial value of it is 1. This will be used in factorial in the loop, and numbers. This will be the number which user have entered. Console.writeLine, enter any number. This is the statement which is printed on the program. Then we are taking what user have written using console.readLine and converting it in integer, and then storing it in number variable. Then we have a for loop which is using I variable, and it's starting from 1 till the number. For example, if user have entered 5 as the number, this loop will run 5 times. And each time this loop will run, it will multiply the I variable with the factorial variable, and it will keep adding the factorial with that result. For example, if this loop will run for the first time, the factorial value is 1. Initial value of factorial is 1. It will multiply by I, which is also 1. So this factorial will become 1. Then this loop will run again, and now the value of I will become 2. So our factorial value is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 give us 2, and that 2 will store in factorial variable again. And this loop will run one more time, and now our I value will become 3, and then our factorial value is 2. So 2 multiplied by 3 give us 6. Alright, so our factorial value will become 6. Then the I value will become 4, and this loop will run again, and the factorial value is 6. So 6 multiplied by 4, it will store it has 24. So our factorial will become 24. Then this loop will run again, and now the value of I will become 5. So the factorial value is 24 multiplied by 5, it gives us 120. So then our factorial value will become 120, and this loop will run again. Now I will become 6. So now 6 is not greater than or equal to our number, which was 5. So this 4 condition become false. So our loop will stop working. Then we are just printing the answer. Factorial of number, which is 5, is 120. let's look it again in our application. Enter any number. I will enter 5. Click enter. It gives us 120. So that's mean our factorial is working. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.